Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable template brand name in Joomla. So for example, we have here this one, brand name. If we want to disable it, we need to log into Joomla administrator panel on our website. So I go back to administrator panel. I need to go now to system settings. And here we need to find something like site template styles. We need to open this option. Then I select the name of the template which I want to edit. So I click on this one, template. And now this window should be displayed. Here we need to go to advanced settings. And here we have something like brand. If you want to disable it, you need to uncheck this option. And after that, you need to select save and close button. Now styles should be successfully saved. So we can go back to our website and we can refresh it. So I click on this one button. And how you see, brand name is not visible now. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.